Hey guys,
Push the
welcome back.
button.
Oh yeah, I forgot we're doing that. Evan, restart. Okay, ready? Okay, ready?
Go.
3, 2, 1. Push the button. Okay. Okay, I
Jackbox
thought we were
Part
all
2.
saying it.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Wait. Logan and I said Jackbox Part 2, and then push the button. Ready?
Okay, ready? 3,
2,
1. Jackbox Part 2.
Part 2.
Push the button.
This is awful.
Yeah? Like that?
No.
You put this in the outtakes.
What if we just do just say push the button, all of us?
No, that's the intro. We're just keeping.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, I don't think it can be stormy in outer space. Just saying.
Well, it's a sci-fi
True.
game.
There's space storms.
During emergencies, or Dottie have detected an alien biorhythm on this
Oh
ship.
no,
That's real.
not an alien
Just as I
biorhythm.
suspected,
I have a crush on that character, guys, for real.
Smash her past the little like Destiny
The
engram.
Dottie, bro.
Dude,
Smash.
smash all day long.
She looks like a little Destiny engram.
She looks like a librarian.
I have determined
You
that
look like a
one of you is
librarian.
secretly an alien.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Guys, I have determined that one of you is secretly an alien. Please look at your device.
It's Evan.
and
It's
find out
Evan.
any
It's
details.
Evan.
It's not me.
Your device can tell you.
I've never once.
going
have
to-
I think
ever
it's
been
Devin.
alien.
Devin was
Shut
the
up,
first
I'm trying to
person say
read. Shut up, I'm trying to read.
Shh.
No.
By my calculations,
I think
By my
Evan-
calculations, you will have 12 minutes before I cease to exist, so I would appreciate
there's
if you
already,
could figure
like-
out who
Because
you
why
are
is
Already
someone
talking
talking
to
about
us?
it?
the button.
Push
the
the
button.
button.
So what is the
Button!
But what does
Push
the button
it.
do?
Push it real good.
Don't push it
I
yet.
can't say the rest of the
If you
song.
push the button, you
Wait,
then
what?
you then vote on who's.
You only
who
get to
think
push the
alien
button
is.
once per round, so yeah, don't push it yet.
Pick me, pick me. Oh, and the alien can hack people so they get the wrong prompts.
Yeah, so
Really?
you're testing us. The
So
alien.
somebody who might seem suspicious might actually not be the alien.
Yeah.
Okay.
Writing test initiated.
Okay, this is like literally like racism because
Write
we're
an
the only
answer
non-white
on the
ones.
device.
What?
I think there's something wrong with my thing.
No.
Wow.
Here's the prompt humans should have received.
What's wrong with your thing?
Because it told me, it was all like, oh, what kind of test would you like to do? And I put writing something. Oh. Oh, okay.
Do any of these answers seem suspicious?
So you were the captain that round, so you had to choose which test. None of this is good. None of these.
No
are
one's
very-
favorite is cereal, dude. No one's favorite
proving.
is cereal.
If they're taking too long to draw, the hurry up button can help.
Oh.
them.
Yeah, I'm gonna push the hurry up button.
That's something an alien would do.
No! You're taking too long!
Draw yourself in the
Maybe you just want to rush it so you
There
can
you
get him
go.
out.
Okay.
What
Okay.
What is that?
I know who the
Jevin?
alien is now.
Jevin,
What is that?
What is that?
That's me. I'm old. That's an old man. It's me.
No, the other guys make sense because it's him hanging himself, but like,
Fuck is that? What is that, Devin?
It's
What
Logan.
is that?
It's Logan Paul. He sacrificed. Oh. Okay.
Who's pressing the button?
extraction
Dude, I love
Why?
buttons.
It's too early.
Larissa!
Larissa, what are you doing?
Here, you have 2 minutes to
Oh, what is happening? It's too early for this.
Wait, are we choosing who's the alien?
It's way too early. We don't even
Yes.
have. I don't even think the
I
second
have
is, like,
evidence.
Wait, how do we decide when we're allowed to choose?
the main cabin.
Do we
on
just hit the
on our
button?
phones. Oh, what is this?
No, but like, can anyone choose at any time?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
God.
No, it's
I
too
think I
early.
made the
You
wrong
just wasted your
decision.
button.
It was between two
I-
people.
Think it's Larissa. I think it might be Larissa.
Oh, hold on.
Yes, it is me. You're right. You're absolutely right.
She's confirming it. You know, that's confirmed. You're voted off of this season.
Dang it, I wanted to stay on Survivor, you bitch.
I will prepare
No, that's
Okay,
wrong!
brother.
That's wrong!
Gosh.
That's wrong! That's not what mine said!
and discuss.
Oh, Logan!
That's not what mine said.
Logan.
Mine said, what is the most embarrassing purchase you made? And that's why I put I don't have any
So
embarrassing purchase.
you're claiming that you were hacked?
Yes.
Well, it could. Okay, it could have been Larissa because that's a genuine answer. So I think it was you. You probably
No, I
hacked
think
myself.
Ran out of
I think
hacks.
Larissa used her alien powers to hack Logan.
Because Larissa couldn't hack Logan at the same time because she answered a proper like answer.
Okay, it's a fire in an urn.
A tire?
A fire in an urn.
Okay, I got it.
I
I got
that
it.
is. Oh god.
It's a hammer and sickle.
I don't know what that. I didn't get to freaking put the other one
Bad.
down. I'm pissed. That's bullcrap, dude.
Larissa
has
is
failed.
the.
I didn't get it
Almost positive
finished.
It's Logan. See, I got them all right.
Okay, that was
Prove
I
it.
didn't get it finished the last one.
I did. You can
bitch.
look at the screen.
No, prove I'm the alien.
I just have a hunch.
Okay, well, I wasn't able to finish it because I didn't know what the flip he was talking about.
Well, Jevin did, so.
I really don't think it's Larissa.
It's not me. If it was
Because
me,
Larissa
it
could have
would-
used a hack, but she didn't, and Logan got that wrong. So either Devin hacked or something. I just think you ran out of them.
I'm telling you, it's someone else. It's not me.
drop.
That's what I had. That's what I had.
Oh.
Oh, like a murder of crows. That's still kind of sus.
Oh, actually,
Nope.
that still could work, cause a murder. Yeah, cause a like a
Yeah,
group
but
of
that's still
crows
kind of
is a murder.
sus.
But that's still sus.
He
Why-
could have just gotten.
No
No could
one's-
have just said like
no
draw
one's
a
putting-
crow
Stop!
or
yeah,
something.
Stop!
No one's putting a
defending
murder
him.
of crows.
Stop
Like
defending
no one's.
him.
When you see the word murder, you're not gonna draw a crow.
You're gonna draw an actual murder. You're not gonna draw. A bunch
Yeah.
of
This is
crows.
this is not helpful.
No, but mine said draw a crow.
See?
I don't think I can
I think he was
much
hacked
longer,
then,
gang.
or he's the alien and he just outed himself.
Back again, huh?
I don't know. I have no clue who it is.
I do.
Boom, what
It's
do you
it's
think?
Devin.
I
He's
told
felt
you.
so many.
It's
Ah.
Devin.
I'm really mixed on this.
Okay.
It's Devin.
Well, I didn't.
It's Devin. We're out of time.
Oh gosh.
Are you not supposed to get
It's
the
actually
question?
Jevin the whole time.
Does
Oh,
anyone not get
yes!
See,
I can't
it's
believe you
him.
got it.
Yes, you survived. I mean, you interrupted your cryo sleep, so you'll be drifting in space for the rest of your lives, but hey, good job on those aliens. I have terminated your cryosleep to alert you that a devastating virus has been uploaded to my processing core. I'm initiating security
Guys,
programs.
guys, it wasn't my fault last time, okay? My alien race is not as highly developed as
I have
humans,
determined that
alright?
one of you is
You're
secretly
good. It's
alien.
okay, Devin. We still love you.
Please look at
You're
your
fucking
device and
fired.
confirm your identity.
This is. Oh gosh.
I don't know how to answer this
Oh
properly.
gosh. I guess. but
Alright, it's Larissa.
It's kind
Larissa's
of a tough,
the alien.
kind of a tough call.
Just because I'm
No,
from a
Larissa's the
different
alien. Everybody
country.
vote her off.
You understand?
Because okay,
Yes.
let me explain myself. Let me explain myself, right?
And now the participants answer.
No.
Let me explain
Why would
myself.
you? Why would?
I-
Why
Why
would
would?
you split it?
His answer seems suspicious.
Because like maybe we can both survive.
No, because
That's like a very human answer.
I'm gonna
Maybe-
keep it because I want to live. I don't care. It's survival of the fittest. Bitch.
Yeah, but we could both survive
I don't-
possibly. I would
no,
rather like
no.
risk the
I
chance
want
of
to
both of us
survive the
surviving.
fittest.
Okay.
I'll eat you
that's
because
kinda
you have
sus.
more.
That's suspicious.
You have more meat on your bones, so I'll eat you. So then it's just me.
What is nothing to do with me? I'm not
Next
even in the
captain,
prom.
You're on the clock.
Opinion hold.
Opinion hold.
Deliberation index suck.
Choose me and
I already
Logan.
did.
Got him.
This is racism because I'm
No, it's
Mexican.
because you guys been both tested once.
Oh yeah, well I was tested 2 times.
Yeah,
You
was
wanna know
I.
why? Because I'm an alien.
I don't know what.
Because
the-
I'm
This
an
is bad.
alien.
This is
I
a
tell
bad-
it's
this is a bad,
racism.
like,
It's a bad one. It is.
Guys,
I like holding
guys,
hands
Larissa's
with my
obviously the
friends.
alien. Guys, it's
I
obviously
don't mind, I guess.
yeah,
I do
exactly. I don't mind it,
But I
it's-
wouldn't. I'm not gonna be the enforcer.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind it, but I'm not gonna like go out of my way. I don't know. It was kind of not a good question. Like I don't really care. I would hold my friend's hand, but like I wouldn't go out of my way to hold their hand. Okay, why am I suspicious?
You're over explaining.
Way too much.
Over-explaining gives you
sorry.
the
Funny.
power to be the alien.
Literally just trying to explain my answer. but
It's okay, bud.
The writing pod.
Now, I don't think anybody's been hacked, so maybe it's somebody who doesn't know how to. I.e. Larissa.
I farted.
Logan, is the third
It's
one?
in,
Is the
it's
third
in,
one?
it's
Is the
in.
circle going out or in?
Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, Larissa.
Oh gosh. I have no clue who it could be.
I got them. Oh no, I got
Oh,
them all right.
it's the life
Oh,
one.
I
The
thought
life
you said it
one.
was going
Okay, I
in.
can see how you could get confused. Okay, I didn't. But I
See,
didn't
I
know
got
there
them
was
all
two
right.
different type of lives.
Frick
ones,
you.
You know?
Yeah. Why'd you blame me?
Because I
first?
can't see all
I don't
the
know,
symbols.
I have
can
no
only
clue
see
who
the
it
ones
could
on
be.
my screen.
Whom will you isolate?
You think it's
No, I
Larissa?
got them right. I got them all right.
I don't know.
Now do not
I genuinely don't know who it
I
is,
got
and it's
them all
kind of
right.
terrifying.
Time to vote. The vote
I genuinely don't. I
Should we
think
just go
maybe I
for
think
it?
it's
Who's
either
the
Devin
quiet
or
one right
Larissa.
now?
Should we just go for it, Evan?
Why is it not you, Devin?
I told you it is me. That's why I'm accusing
No, it's
Larissa.
not Devin. Okay, I think we should just go for it.
He's.
No?
the vote has failed.
No. I trust Devin that it's him. If he says it's him.
So press the button.
Do is keep testing until you can all
It's
Well,
Larissa.
if we-
No, it's not.
Devin, is it truly not you?
I told you it was me.
Whom will you isolate?
God, this is
But that ruins the
terrifying.
whole thing. Why would
Believe
you
it.
say it's you?
I don't. Oh,
But it could
Devin,
be-
you really
I don't
put
know.
us in a
See, I don't like that
On
you
one
told us.
hand-
No,
Why
it's
would you tell
Larissa.
us? That screws up the whole entire video
That is-
and ruins any
Well, no,
type
on
of
one
mystery.
hand, it could be like one of Devin's tricks, where it's like, oh, it's me, and we think it's not him, but it actually is him. On the other hand, it could just be him pulling a prank. I'm just gonna vote yes.
I would vote
Time to
yes.
vote.
Alright, well then y'all are fricked. I tried to warn you.
The vote passed.
What do you mean you tried to warn us?
Oh
So
God.
it's you. It's not you? What do you mean it's not you?
Later, nerds.
Larissa! Larissa!
I told you it was Larissa.
It's
Oh
not
my
me.
God!
Evan!
It's not me!
Oh, it's Logan, isn't it?
It's me! It's
You
Ah,
stupid!
Logan! Oh God!
Frick, stop blaming me for everything. I feel like I'm in my own
no.
household when you blame me.
Damn, Logan.
God.
You're good.
Anyways,
Oh my
that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, share if you want to, and click the notification bell. I'm Larissa.
Oh, and I'm Logan.
Thank you for watching our video.
And I'm not the
Oh, yeah.
alien.
Thank you, thanks
Bye,
to our
guys.
editor Evan and Devin for joining
I'm
us
Officer
during this video.
Trustworthy. Yeah, thank you for
Okay, no one
having
cares.
me.
Thanks so
If
much.
you guys want to see
Make
more,
sure to go like and subscribe again, and make sure to go follow our Instagram, which will be in the link in description and after this video.